This is a natural dietary supplement extract from tropical Sorghum bicolor, researched, refined and confirmed as a powerful antioxidant. It will increase your blood to required levels and boost your immune system rapidly. Jobelyn improves the fertility rate in both men and women. Jobelyn protects and provides energy for mother and child all through pregnancy and at childbirth. Jobelyn purifies your blood. It deters and effectively controls chronic heart diseases and blood-related conditions like hypertension, arthritis, diabetes, sickle-cell anemia, stroke, and even HIV and AIDS. Daily intake of Jobelyn protects the body from infections and guarantees a healthy and happy family. Jobelyn has no known adverse effects. Produced by Health Forever Products Limited, Dikpeolu Street off Obafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Available in sachets and capsules for adults and syrup for children in all leading pharmaceuticals nationwide. Consult your physician for prescription.
30 capsule Jobelyn now comes in a new pack.
Live healthy. Live Jobelyn.
Prevention, they say, is better than cure. By maintaining a state of general wellness, sickness and hospitalization hours will be reduced to its barest minimum.
The human body is a very wonderful machine, as I will tell you. Now, if you can maintain wellness state and keep very strictly to it, obviously things like sickness, things like hospitalization hours will absolutely decrease in frequency. Humans will live healthier, longer lifespans. The central nervous system diseases like Parkinson's disease that makes the human body, the whole limbs quiver and shake. Alzheimer's diseases, for example, will be a thing of the past, or it will become rarer. Nowadays, we talk about heart attacks being on the increase, but with maintaining a wellness state, definitely and absolutely, heart attacks will be reduced. The period of pregnancy will run very smoothly. We will have very, very peaceful and smooth-going labor periods. Things like diabetes mellitus will be very rare. We will not know much about anemia because the process of making red blood cells will normalize and go on as expected. Sickle cell diseases or sickle cell disordered individuals will have very, very few crises. For example, we know very well that it is the effect of increase in the free oxygen radicals in the human body that gives precedence to genetic aberrations or genetic mutations. And with the advent of maintaining a wellness state, we are definitely going to have fewer cases of cancer or neoplasm, as we doctors call it. Sportsmen will perform far much more better because their muscles, their hearts will perform better, and there will be no need for the consumption of drugs or all these performance enhancing drugs. There will be fewer infertility cases because the ovary will function perfectly well, produce very wonderful and okay functioning follicles, so also the spermatozoa will be of the highest quality. And to crown all this, if all the tissues and the organs in the human body were to function well, we will be very beautiful. We will not have wrinkles. And as I will always say, human beings will be very, very much more beautiful.
The human cell abhors synthetic substances found in processed foods that contain so much preservatives, flavors, colorings that the food industry has introduced into its products to attract customers and boost trade. Reducing the quantity of foods intake definitely reduces the intake of noxious substances into the system. Use of pesticides and fertilizers used in our agricultural sector introduces their own types of poison into our system. The pollution of the air we breathe in by all kinds of smokes from all types of engines further destroy our general wellness. The modern feeding culture tends to increase free oxygen radicals within our system. This could lead to cell damage. It is obvious that mopping up these FORs will help maintain general wellness.
Unfortunately, in Africa, as the so-called modernization is spreading through the whole continent, we are having cases of pollution because of the gas flaring, for example, in the Delta region areas, increase in tobacco consumption, different types of engines in the factories, generator smoke, so on and so forth, vehicular smokes. You know, we simply cannot avoid all these things. These things in the air, when taken in, when inspired, that is, inspirated, cause the production of free oxygen radicals. And these harm the genes and therefore worsen the life quality in the planet. And unfortunately, the Africans who were always hardworking, who moved around on their 2 feet, are now doing the exact things that the developed world did. They are now becoming obese, eating all those wrong things that the developed world people consume, and getting very obese. And you should be aware of the fact that being obese is dangerous. The cholesterol level increases. This enhances the production of free radicals in the human body. Fat cells are known to produce substances, inflammatory substances called cytokines. These equally cause the increased production of free radicals, which in turn cause damages to the genes. Now, if only Africans could do the above that I have listed, avoid going the same wrong way that the developed world has gone through, the free oxygen radical production in their system will reduce. Therefore, the cell damages that would have been caused by this free oxygen radical increase will reduce. We will remain healthier. We will live longer and a better life. In fact, if I were God, I would make sure that all Africans comply with this. Avoid getting fat. Avoid spreading pollutants all over the place. But you see, it's difficult to compel Africans to do this. What's my advice? How can we save Africa? Oh, let them go ahead and take all the natural substances, the fruits and the vegetable, the plant products that contain a lot of antioxidants. Or better still, like I will always say, take a lot of Jobelyn. Jobelyn is one of the most powerful antioxidants on this planet. Since we cannot turn a 100 degrees retreat from what modernization is bringing to us, we can simply neutralize and remove from our system the free oxygen radicals, which would definitely make our lives worse, by taking Jobelyn regularly and of course daily.
This is a natural dietary supplement extract from tropical Sorghum bicolor, researched, refined and confirmed as a powerful antioxidant. It will increase your blood to required levels and boost your immune system rapidly. Jobelyn improves the fertility rate in both men and women. Jobelyn protects and provides energy for mother and child all through pregnancy and at childbirth. Jobelyn purifies your blood. It deters and effectively controls chronic heart diseases and blood-related conditions like hypertension, arthritis, diabetes, sickle-cell anemia, stroke, and even HIV and AIDS. Daily intake of Jobelyn protects the body from infections and guarantees a healthy and happy family. Jobelyn has no known adverse effects. Produced by Health Forever Products Limited, Dikpeolu Street off Obafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Available in sachets and capsules for adults and syrup for children in all leading pharmaceuticals nationwide. Consult your physician for prescription.
30 capsule Jobelyn now comes in a new pack.
Live healthy. Live Jobelyn.